Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jackie Nicole here. In the previous part of the video, that was the first day back to school, some snippets or whatever. And yeah, it started off rocky because the bus driver gave the boys the wrong information and they missed the bus. Well, they got on the wrong bus. Anywho, but the oldest, he made it home, but I had to go pick up the twins. Everything else went smooth. But today is Friday and it is leg day, so I'm doing my leg day workout, and I decided to, break it down and share on TikTok with some videos because I've been getting a whole lot of compliment on my legs and them, sturdying up and everything. And my body is definitely different from when I first started. And if you know, you know. So here I post, I just live. That's the message. Just live. And I'm a mom of 5, entrepreneur, and I post, if I find something that makes my life easier, I share it. Hacks or whatever, DIYs, lunch ideas. If I find something that makes my life easier, I share. Point and blank, simple. So I am staying on track with my fitness and working out and everything because my goal is a 6-pack, and it's coming along. It's coming along. The body is definitely coming along. But anywho, so I'm going to go ahead and get this workout started before I start rambling more than I am doing now. And thank you guys for being here watching. If you are here, if it sounds like something you want to, join fam, go ahead and subscribe. If not, hey, no pressure, okay? So let me go ahead and get started. So I can start my day. Now, this is where I must have pressed the slow button, and I was hyping myself up to get this next set done. And baby, when I tell you I got finished and walked around to this camera and realized I did it in slow-mo and I had to do it over again. Okay. Content creators' worst nightmare is not pressing the button or pressing the slow-mo button, okay? And then realizing it after you've completed what you've done. Okay, so I just got finished, my workout, and I had to do some record the beginning at the end and everything because I completely forgot or whatever. But when I remember I didn't do an intro, I try to get it done. So don't mind the times it's on the clock or whatever. It happened. But I just got finished my workout, and today I have to get some things straightened out on Amazon. But I also got to do some things with Jazzette. Yesterday I shipped some orders off, and today is Friday, so when the boys get home, it's chores for them, and it's also movie night. I don't know whose turn it is to pick the movie or whatever, but yeah. So Thank you for watching this video if you've made it this far, and just live. That's the message. Be you unapologetically. Ugh. Be you unapologetically. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So, see you on the next one. I'm tired.